In this video we will learn how to install Jupyter Notebook on Windows 10. Let us start. At first go to the web browser. On Google type Anaconda and press enter. The official website is visible, anaconda.com. Click on it. Now from here click free download. Now to download Anaconda distribution you need to click get started. From here you need to sign up. To download you can sign up with email, Google, Microsoft or GitHub. To save time I'll directly click Google and it will take my Gmail ID. So here is my Gmail ID. I'll click on it. Click continue. Now the download should begin. Go below and here it's written choose your download. Okay, I want Anaconda distribution, so I'll click here. A download started. Let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The installation started. Click next. The license agreement is visible. Click I agree. Select installation type. I'll click all users and click next. Choose installation location. I'll keep it as it is. It will take only 6 GB. Click next. Advanced installation options are visible. I'll select this option also to register Anaconda 3 as a system Python. Click install. Now the setup started. Let's wait. We have installed Anaconda. Click next. Click next. Now click finish. I'll uncheck both of them so that I can tell you how to start Anaconda from the scratch. Click finish. Now go to start, type Anaconda, and when you will type, Anaconda prompt and Anaconda navigator are visible. Anaconda prompt is a CLI, that is a command line interface, and Anaconda navigator is a GUI. Okay, I'll click Anaconda prompt. Now type Jupyter Notebook and press enter. Now Jupyter Notebook will open. Jupyter Notebook is an open source web application that lets you create and share interactive documents containing live code, equations, visualizations and text. So now we are ready with our Jupyter Notebook. Okay, to create a new file, click new, select Python 3. A project in Jupyter Notebook is known as a notebook. So its extension is .ipynb. Click untitled to rename it. So let's say I'll name it demo1. So this is our first notebook. Click rename. Now I'll print something here. I'm using the built-in print method to print my name. Okay. Now click here to run the cell and the output is visible, Amit Diwan. For a free Jupyter Notebook, Anaconda and Python tutorial, refer to the links in the description of the video. Thank you for watching.